One
Everybody,
minute, I'm getting my notebook.
yes, please. Come on, everybody. Aisha Kazi, Umaira Kazi, please turn your screen on. Hamdan, Umar, Hamza. Hamdan, can you tell me which is the sum? Can you read out?
Yes, ma'am. A car can cover 70 by 3/4 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 2 hours? 2 by
Ma'am,
5
can
hours.
I say the answer?
Yeah, first thing you
The
all have to
answer,
what you have to do in this.
ma'am, you have to do multiplication.
Okay. Humaira
Ma'am,
Kasim,
you will multiply 70 multiplied by 2, and the answer is 140 kilometers.
okay, Hamdan, have you got 140 kilometers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lovely, Aisha Aga. Okay, honestly tell me who has not done the homework.
Ma'am, I have only done the first 3 sums. The other 2 were mistakes, so I did
Okay.
not do.
Ma'am, for homework.
Yes, ma'am. I also didn't did the other two.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
didn't do
but
the
we
homework.
have rectified that and I have already put that in the group, but still it is okay if you all have not done. Not an issue because it was my mistake.
I only wrote the question, I did not do.
I did last one only. I didn't finish that second and third.
You did the first one.
Yeah,
What is the answer?
140.
And how did you get that? Can you show that?
I will show my page. Wait, I'm bringing.
Okay, Umar also has done. Hamdan, where is Hamza today?
Ma'am, can you ask this? Can I read the second one?
I'm so sorry. Okay, first thing is what when you have anything in mixed fraction, you convert that into improper or proper fraction, right?
Yes.
So the distance covered 2 by 5 becomes how much? 12 upon 5 hours. Yes or no?
Ma'am, 1 hour car
multiplied by
covers 70 kilometers.
Yes.
Then 2 hours distance covered 70 multiplied by 2, and then the answer will be 140 kilometer. No.
Not
Ma'am,
70
Oh,
multiplied
we
by 2,
have
73
to
by
make
4
it improper
and
fraction.
2 by 5. First, you will convert that mixed fraction into an improper fraction or a proper fraction, whatever it is. And after that, you will carry out multiplication, no?
Ma'am, so the answer is not 140 kilometer.
First, I have to check what you all have to do. Then only I will confirm whether your answer is right. That is what, Zaveria, what is your answer? Okay, yes, I think so. Umar is calling me. Yes, Umar?
Ma'am, we have to
4
convert
multiplied by
140
70 and then
kilometer
plus
into.
3.
Not hear Umar clearly. One
We
by
have
one.
to do 4 multiplied by 70, then add 3.
Okay, first thing is 70 multiplied by 4. Then you will add 3 and then the denominator remains the same. Okay? Yes or no? So first thing,
Ma'am,
whichever.
so we have to convert 140 to mixed fraction.
No, not 140. Just give me 1 minute. Y'all want me to do it on the board or y'all want me to just do it like this?
Just like this.
Okay, wait. Then just give me 1 minute. Where is my. Yeah. Now they are telling us that the car can cover 73 by 4 73 by 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Yes.
Ma'am, you can see on my ma'am, in my mother's phone, it's only written a car can cover 70 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 2 hours? No fractions.
Oh, is it like I don't know what is wrong with my PC. Okay, so that means it is 70 and 2, no? Then
Yes,
140 the correct answer?
Yeah.
Okay, I am so sorry. I don't
Ma'am,
know
I
what is
can
wrong.
see the fractions.
I don't know what is wrong because I have typed it correctly. Maybe, while
Ma'am,
putting it, I.
because Word is in the laptop, so I'm using a laptop. So that's or something.
Is that the problem? Because even I have a laptop. So is that a
Yes,
problem?
ma'am, I'm also using a laptop and I can see the 3 by 4 and 2 by 5.
Okay, just to correct, everybody can see the sums now, right? Everybody, can you all see the sums now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sumaira Kasim. Have
Ma'am,
you
we
taken
opened in Google Drive and then it came that 3 by 4 fraction.
Acha. I'll please check that and put the sums after from now. I'll take care that I put the sums properly. I actually put it properly. I don't know what is wrong when you told me for the fourth and fifth also when I checked it.
Ma'am, should I start recording?
Right. But
Ma'am,
then I
ma'am, the sum is okay, but only the format of the sum like that. Ma'am, we opened it in Google Drive, so it's okay. Not in Word. It's okay.
It's okay. So you can see the fraction, everybody. My only concern is, can you all see the fractions properly, whatever I have put?
Yes, ma'am, because we opened it in Google Drive.
Okay. Anybody has any problem, you all could not see the fraction on anything, please let me know. I'll try to do something else and then post the homework because I'm very sorry for the confusion what is getting created here. I'm so sorry. Okay, for now, leave that confusion aside. First thing, I'll just read out the first sum. That is, a car can cover 73.4 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 2 by 5 hours?
Ma'am,
Now,
73 kilometer, but it is 70 kilometer.
yes, that is what I'm so sorry, Aisha. I'm rectifying it. Can you see the screen what I've shared here?
Ma'am,
Yes.
so if we will make it to improper fraction, it will be
Yes, just
70.
correct that, Aisha. So the
Ma'am,
first
it
sum,
will be
what you can see in the screen,
280 by 4 and
83 by
12 by 5. We have to multiply it.
Aisha, I can't hear you. Are you talking? Okay, so 73 by 4, when you convert this mixed number into a proper fraction, your answer is 283 by 4. 70 into 4 gives you 280 plus 3, 283 by 4. Now this is over. Let's come to the next part of the question. How much distance will it cover in 2 by 5 hours? Now if I convert this into proper fraction, what will be my fraction? 12 upon 5. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5
So
upon
what
4.
will multiply? 283 upon 4 multiplied by 12 upon 5. So when I multiply that, what do I get? Please tell me.
283 upon 4. Multiply by 12. 3 by 5.
Yes. So no, not 12, 3 by 5. It is 12 upon 5. How we
12
converted 73 by 4 into a proper fraction? We will convert 2 by 5 also into a proper fraction. So 2 5s are 10. The whole number gets multiplied by the denominator, and then you add what is there in the numerator. So 2 into 5 gives me 10. 10 plus 2 is 12, and the denominator remains the same. That is 12 upon 5.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you just show it again? Can you explain
Ma'am.
again?
What
Ma'am,
happened?
what have you only said in the last two questions?
Okay, we'll solve all these questions now
Ma'am,
together.
denominator multiplied by whole number and whole number plus the numerator.
Yes, correct. So 5 multiplied by 2 gives me 10. And then if I add 2 to 10, I get 12. And the denominator remains the same. So 12 upon 5. So now what fraction I get? 283 upon 4 multiplied by 12 upon 5. Now please multiply this and tell me what is the answer. Yes, Umar.
I understand.
Zuveria, you also didn't get the fraction.
No.
Oh.
Ma'am, I was in my mother's phone. Ma'am, can you explain once again?
Yes.
Ma'am, 849 by 5. 849 above 5.
Okay. Excellent. And if I now, because the question was in mixed fraction, can you please convert that into mixed fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Zaveria, what are they telling? You can see the screen what I've shared here, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So what are they telling us? They are giving us a distance of a car. A car can cover 73 by 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Okay. That is the distance that the car is covering in 1 hour. Now we have to find the distance the car will cover in 2 by 5 hours. So what we will do? We know a simple rule that if a value of one thing is given and if we have to find the value of lot of things, the rule is to multiply, right?
Ma'am, 169
Yes.
4 by 5.
169.
4 upon 5.
Absolutely wonderful, very good. So see the area. Suppose I have a chocolate which is costing me 5 rupees. That one chocolate is 5 rupees. If I want to buy 5 such chocolates, so what will I do?
50 rupees.
No,
Multiply.
one chocolate is 5 rupees. If I want 5 more chocolate,
30.
5 5s are 25.
Yeah. You
So
will multiply.
one chocolate is 5 rupees. I want more 5 chocolates. So I know the cost of one chocolate is 5 rupees. And if I want 5 more chocolate, I'll just multiply 5 with 5. So I know the cost of 5 chocolate is 25 rupees. Yes? Like that only here, a car can cover 73 by 4 kilometer in 1 hour. And how much distance will it cover in 2.22 by 5 hours? That means I know that in 1 hour it is covering 73 by 4 kilometer. Now I have to find out 2 by 5 hours how much it will cover. So first thing what I do, because I've gotten mixed fraction, I will convert this into a proper fraction. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how do I convert into proper fraction? Convert 73 by 4 into proper fraction, Zuveria.
Yes.
What will be the
70, 73 by
73 by 4? You can see that on the screen, right?
yes.
Yes. Yes, Umera. So 73 by
Ma'am, I
4.
still didn't understand how to do it, ma'am.
That is what I'm
I'm still
showing
doing
you.
the first one. Can you show
So
first one?
convert 70. I know that you all have learned fractions, so you all know how to convert mixed
Ma'am, we
fraction.
have to do 70 divided by 2.
No. Can you see the sums on the screen? It is not 70, it is 73 by 4 kilometer. That is a one whole number. 70 is a whole number, 3 by 4 is a fraction.
28, 283.
Yes, 283 upon 4.
Yeah.
You know how to convert mixed fraction into proper fraction, right?
Yes.
I don't have to show you all that. Aisha Aga, do you know how to convert 73 by 4 into a proper fraction? Please do that.
Ma'am, you have to divide, no?
No, just convert 73 by 4 into proper fraction. 70 is a whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction. So I just want you to convert that 73 by 4 into a proper fraction. So what you will do, you will multiply the denominator with the whole number and you will add the numerator, and whatever you get and the numerator remains, the denominator remains the And now, because I want to find 2 by 5 hours, Zaveria, you'll also convert 2 by 5 hours into a
Ma'am,
proper
I cannot
Okay.
understand what you're saying.
Okay. I think so. I must shift to my board now. Give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, 12 upon 5.
Yes, very good. 12 upon 5. Yes. Okay. Okay. Is the board clearly visible to y'all? I'll just switch off the light. Okay. Now, what are they telling us? That a car can cover a distance of, y'all can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yes. A car can cover a distance of 73 by 4 kilometer. Aisha, you know that this is a mixed fraction, right? So this is how we
Yes.
write the mixed fraction. 73 by 4 in 1 hour.
Yes.
In 1 hour. Okay. We have to find out that in 2 by 5 hours, how much it is covering, right? Now, what is my first step? What will I do whenever I get a sum in a word problem, which is in mixed fraction? What do? I will convert this into proper fraction. Can
A
you please
proper
convert and tell me, Aisha? What do I do? 73 by 4. How do I
We'll do
convert
7. I know
7
how to do, ma'am.
4, which is 280.
Ma'am, you
Then
will do
I add
70 multiplied by 4.
70 multiplied by 4 gives me 280. Then I add with what?
280 plus 3 plus 3 will
83 upon 4. Now, because I have converted this into proper fraction, I will convert 2 by 5 also into proper fraction. So I get 12 upon 5. Now I know that in 1 hour, a car is covering 283 upon 4. I have to find out in so many hours how much distance does it cover. So I will just multiply 12 upon 5. Understood?
Oh, ma'am.
Now is it simple for you all? Now can you do the cancellation and solve it further?
Ma'am, I still did not understand.
Aisha, see, this is the kilometer covered in 1 hour. Okay? In 1 hour, that car is covering 73 by 4 kilometers. 1 hour. But because it is in the mixed fraction, I have to convert it into proper fraction. Till here, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, next. Now they are asking us that find out in 2 by 5 hours how much distance it is covering. We have to find that in 1 hour it is covering this much distance. I have to find out in 2 by 5 hours how much distance will it cover. So now as I converted this into proper fraction, I will convert 2 by 5 also into proper fraction. So I get 12 by 5. Here it is clear now.
Yes.
Yes. So now I know in 1 hour it is covering 283 upon 4 kilometers. Now I have to find in 12 by 5 hours how much distance does it cover. So what will I do? I will just simply multiply. And because I've converted into proper fraction, so 283 upon 4 into 12 upon 5. Simple. Now I will do the cancellation. If the numerator is getting cancelled with the other denominator, cross multiplication, I'll cancel and I will carry out a simple multiplication. Come on, please do that. Understood, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what will you do after all this?
4 threes are. Correct? Is 5 cancelled by 23?
No, ma'am. 5.
What do I
283 is not in 5 table.
You get 849 upon 5. Now this is the answer. That means in 2 by 5 hours, the car is covering 849 by 5 hours. Sorry, distance. But now because the question was in mixed fraction, I have to convert this also into mixed fraction. So please convert this into mixed fraction and give me. Now don't tell me that I don't know, ma'am, how to convert it.
Ma'am, what is 74, sir?
280. Okay, I'm moving on to other sums because everybody is waiting. It's taking too long. Next.
Ma'am, but don't
Chinu
rub
has-
your board, ma'am.
I'm not rubbing my board. Don't worry. But listen to me carefully, everybody, please. Chinu has a sugar cane. What is the length of the sugar cane given here? What is the length of the sugar cane? How long is the sugar cane?
1 by 3.
Ma'am, 5 by 12. Ma'am,
You
I got
5
it.
by-
3
Ma'am.
1 by 3.
Okay, Amdan, very good, very good.
Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, I did everything, and the answer is 5 by 12.
5 by 12. Give me 1 minute. We'll do it together. Okay.
Ma'am,
Who has a
the
sugar cane?
answer in mixed fraction is 4, 5. No. 161, 4 upon 5.
For which one? The first one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it is not 161. Just do it again. Four upon 5 is correct, but it is not 161. Okay, now
It's
coming back.
169.
Ma'am, 169 upon 4, 5.
169.
Bottle caps.
169.
And in some places like Papua New Guinea, they use cowrie shells. You know cowrie shells, the seashells, right?
Okay.
Seashell by the seashore.
Chibu
But the
has,
most interesting one I found was
a sugar cane. What is the length of the sugar cane here? 1 by 3 meters long. Now, if she wants, 1 minute. Now, if she wants to cut that into 8 equal pieces, find the length of each piece. So it is very simple. We have to divide. Yes? Yes or no? First thing, I will convert 1 by 3 into a proper fraction.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the first one, when you find both the answers, then you have to then what you have to do?
What is your
When
answer?
you no, miss,
Then you
I'm
have to
asking.
multiply
I found I
the-
got the proper fraction of both. Then what we have to do?
Okay, suppose Aisha, tell me I have a chocolate, or suppose I have a biscuit packet, which is 8 rupees. One biscuit packet is 8 rupees, okay? I want 5 biscuit packets. How much will I pay the shopkeeper? The cost of one biscuit packet is 8 rupees. If I want to buy 5 such packets, how much will I pay the shopkeeper?
40 rupees.
Yes, ma'am, 40 rupees only.
How did you get 40?
8
8
fives are 40.
Simple. How did you come to know that you have to do multiplication? Cost of one thing is given to you, right?
Ma'am, because multiplication multiplies
Cost
more.
of one thing is
Ma'am,
given to
because it
you.
multiplies.
The cost of one thing was given to you, right? Cost of one biscuit packet was given to you. And you had to find the cost of 5 biscuit packets. So when value of one thing is given to you and you have to find the value of more such things, you know that you have to multiply. Same
Yes.
thing you have to do here also. You know that in 1 hour the car is covering 73 by 4 kilometers.
In 2
Now you
hours
have
is more, so you have to multiply.
yes, so you have to find out that in 2 by 5 hours how much does it cover. So what you will do now, because you have converted both into proper fraction.
Ma'am, so you will multiply 283 by 4 multiplied by 12 by 5.
283 by 4 multiplied by 12 upon 5. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, please do that. Okay, I don't think so. We will be able to take a
Ma'am,
test.
283 multiplied by 12 and 4 multiplied by 5.
Yes. 283 upon 4 multiplied by 12 upon 5. Here I have written on the board, Aisha. See? And then you have to do only the denominator of one fraction gets cancelled with the numerator of the other fraction. You know the multiplication.
Oh, I understood.
Yes.
Which
Fractions,
both,
right?
ma'am, which both comes in one table, right?
Yes.
Like 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12.
Okay. Okay,
Right,
Hamdan, I am so sorry, it took so long today. Yes, Hamdan, what was your answer? Chinu has a
5
sugar. How much?
5 by 12.
5 by 12. No, 5 by 12 is not the correct answer. First thing is we will convert 1 by 3 into proper fraction. Always remember in a word problem, whenever you get a number which is a mixed fraction, which is a mixed number, your first step is to convert it into a proper fraction. Keep that in mind. Compulsory. Okay. So when I convert 1 by 3 into proper fraction, what do I get? 10 upon 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10 upon 3. And then I have to divide that by 8. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. My pen is misplaced. Okay, then I have to multiply 10 upon 3 by 8. So what is 8? 8 is nothing but 1 upon 8. We can write it as 1 upon 8. Sorry, 8 upon 1. So 10 upon 3 multiplied. Usually we cannot carry out division in fraction. So what do you do? The other side of the fraction gets reciprocal, up and down. Yes? Confused?
No, ma'am, I understand.
Ma'am, see what I did. Ma'am, I wrote length of sugarcane 3 1 by 3. Then I made it improper fraction 10 by 3. I got the answer. 10 by
Correct.
3 divided by 8 by 1. I did. Then I wrote 10 by 3 into 1 by 8. We have to do the reciprocal.
Absolutely. Very good. This is what I'm trying to explain. Then what did you get?
Then, ma'am, I cut it.
Oh,
2 from
cancellation. Yes. Cross multiplication.
yeah, then 10 became 5 and 8 became 4. So I did 5 ones are 5 and 3 fours are 12. I got 5 by 12.
5, 5. Okay. Yes, correct. Yeah, the steps what you told me, Hamdan, it is perfectly all right. So actually in the fraction, you do not carry out division. What happens when you have division, the other side of the fraction becomes reciprocal upside down, right? You know what? I don't feel that in the next.
Ma'am, we don't have to
What
actually do
do we
the
do after
proper
we come?
division.
What comes in the same table?
Yes, it when both the number will come in the same table, then only you will be able to cancel. No, Aisha.
Yes,
Otherwise,
but
you cannot cancel.
yes, but how do you find the answer?
How do you find the answer? I didn't understand.
How did you get 849 by 5?
Aisha, 4 ones are and 4 threes are is 12, right? Now I know that there is no other numbers which will be divisible by the same number. So 283 I'll multiply by 3. So I get 849. The numerator will get multiplied by the numerator and the denominator will get multiplied by the denominator. As simple as that. 849 upon 5.
Ma'am, which side we have to do reciprocal?
The other side, the one, suppose you have 8 equal pieces,
the
right?
Ma'am, the
So
right one on the left.
Yes, that is what I'm
Ma'am,
telling.
I understood now.
Yes. Now you had 8, you have to cut that into 8 equal pieces, right? Now just 8, if I write 10 upon 3 divide by 8. Okay. Now the next step is I will write 10 upon 3 divide by 8 upon 1. Now I know that it cannot be division is not carried out in fraction. So 10 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 8. Correct?
The right
Understood?
one.
Yes. And then I will cancel if they are getting cancelled. And if not, then I will directly do the multiplication and I'll come out to the final answer. Okay, now in the next class, we will do science. And then there I will discuss.
Ma'am, can you post the like this the correct sums on Google?
I will do that again today. Hamdan, once you visit the Google Classroom, please confirm today whether the sums are right or no. Okay? Please. I will today do
Ma'am,
it
you're
by
sending these again?
Yes, I will recreate the paper again. I will send it to you with all the mistakes corrected. Okay.
Ma'am, I opened it in Google Drive, so I got it. Ma'am, I got it correct. Finished. So, ma'am, can you please request the fellow classmates to open it in Google Drive?
Yes, if in case you all cannot see a fraction or if you all find that there is a problem, my humble request to everybody, please try to open it in Google Drive. Okay.
Ma'am, I will share the screenshot.
Yes, I will do that. I'll do both the things. Okay. So that you all can compare. I will share the screenshot on the group, the WhatsApp group, what we have, or else I will also share it in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It's too late now. We will meet for the next class. That is science. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
All the